Oh, the lady, she just left the window open. Yeah. And she is there doing the kayak. And I also wanted to have that kind of roof rack. It's just that I don't have a budget yet. Paddle board. It's not kayak, it's paddle board. And she actually has two dogs on her paddle board. Yeah, nice. Oh, this is the one that I bought in Bunnings. This is just about $5. This two. It reduces damp and helps to prevent bacteria and mold. Efficient moisture absorption. Ideal for use in cupboards and wardrobes.
I'll talk to you. I'll send you the photos. Okay, yes, please. Oh, thank you. Give me a hug. It's probably another 4 years, so yeah.
There you go, just.
Bye.
Okay, so. Okay, no worries. Take care. It's alright, man. Why the long time at the moment?
Okay. Always. All right, darling. Nice to hear your voice. Everybody okay at home? Wonderful. All right, then. Cheers. Bye. Okay, bye.
And we are now here in the grocery. Yeah, here in Woolworths. I basically just finished the time lapse of the sunset. I'm going to buy hand sanitizer. Yeah, just this $4. The one that I have in my backpack is finished already. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now already 15 minutes to 9 o'clock. I am still day off today. The second day of my day off. And I'm going to prepare my meal. Actually, just this one. This tuna, noodles, yeah, and some seasoning. I'm just going to add an egg and reheat it. Oh, I don't have rice. I need to cook rice first. This morning, I was trying to sort out my financial struggle these days. It's not really struggles because somehow I have my salary. Yeah, it's the same like my situation before when I was in the Philippines, when I was working in the Philippines, where my salary is just right. I mean, like for survival. So what is happening now is my salary is just enough to pay for my house rent, to pay my credit card, and another thing is to pay my car because my car is on financing. So basically what happened is that in the previous months, yeah, I had a lot of expenses. Yeah, car insurance, registration, and also people borrows money. Yeah, and also my daily driving. Yeah, it costs me money. So basically, I am using my credit card to pay for my daily expenses. So my debit card, I don't use it. I basically use that to pay for my credit card. I always pay it on time so that they don't get interest from me. Yesterday I showed to you the how much money I have on my debit card, on my ATM card. It's just 30 something dollars. Yeah. And today and last night I received my salary, so yeah, I'm going to use that to pay for my credit card. And actually I need to pay 1,197.56. So the salary that I received last night, I'm going to use that to pay to pay the car, my house rent, and also my credit card. And because I'm using my credit card to pay for everything, and now, yeah, I accumulate this 150,103 rewards points. And I can convert that to $600. That $600 I am going to use to pay for my credit card. If I don't have credit card, it means that I don't have this $600. Yeah. So this is how credit card is becoming good. Okay. It's boiling now. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 20 minutes to 5 o'clock. And I'm doing my laundry. And there was a little rain a while ago. And now I'm preparing my meal. These noodles. Pancit with the chicken. Let me taste. Because it doesn't have soy sauce. Because I don't have soy sauce here. Not bad. And this is my dinner. Maybe I'm going to eat again tonight. This is the noodles that I cooked last night. And look at the difference. The one from last night that I cooked, and look how it looks now. It looks delicious, this one. It is now already 11:26 and I'm going to work now. My duty today is 12 o'clock. And this is how it is outside, very cloudy. And yeah, I forgot my phone. It means that it is going to be boring later on my break time. Yeah, it's okay. The time now is 1:39. So I still have 20 minutes to start my duty. And I am having this coffee while waiting for my time. And this is how beautiful it is at the moment. Not windy. The water is calm. Quiet. Yeah, you hear the noise of the birds. In these 20 minutes I can still go back to my apartment to get my phone, but yeah, it's okay. Maybe on my break time. I forgot my phone because when I get out of the house I was holding this camera, this coffee, and the dust cam of my car. I saw in the comment that in UK, yeah, the weather, the sky is always like this, cloudy. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just got home. It's already, yeah, almost 3 o'clock. I am very hungry. I am just going to eat this rice. And I still have this pancit. I am just going to recook it with egg. I am going to eat it later. I need to go to a birthday party. Yeah, now I am going now. I said to them that I will be there in 30 minutes. So I am basically going to meet a couple. Yeah, a husband and wife. And they are celebrating the birthday of the guy. They are in Pingal Bay. Oh, look at this car, beautiful. Jeep is the brand. Color orange. And Pingal Bay is like the last or the end of the Bay of Port Stephen. Yeah. So it's like if you are going to take a bus coming from Sydney or coming from Newcastle, Pingal Bay will be the last stop. They said they are staying in like a caravan park. Oh, pre-table, nice.